Hi, I'm Katie Rungta and I'm the founder of Pocket Money Workshop. I run financial literacy classes for school kids. What is financial literacy? Well, financial literacy is a skill which helps us to manage our money well and helps us to make smarter choices with respect to money. Why do we need to make smarter choices? Well, as we grow and as income keep coming to us, it's our duty that we should understand where should we spend and where can we save our money, how to build our wealth for the future we dream of. So financial literacy is just like a facilitator which helps you to take control of your choices. Now, what are three key lessons I want to talk to you about in this video? Number first, you should be able to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are something which is essential for your survival, like the food we eat, the house we live in. And wants are something which is like an add-on. For example, the burgers you keep ordering or the new clothes which we buy every now and then. That are wants. Even if we don't have it, it's okay, we can survive without it. So if given a choice, you should always go for needs first and then satiate your wants. The second lesson which I want to teach: try to build more and more assets than liabilities. Now, you must be wondering what are assets and what are liabilities. Well, anything which helps you to bring money to your pocket is an asset, and everything which takes out money from your pocket is a liability. Now, if you're reading a book and if it is helping you to develop your mental capabilities, or if it is helping you to develop your skills, then that is an asset, because in future you can use that skill to earn some money. But if you are just going out buying new shoes, new clothes just to be happy temporarily, then that is a liability, because as soon as you take out that stuff from that shop, the price of it is going to decrease with time and it is not going to give you any value in the future. So always make sure that you are spending your money in building assets than collecting liabilities. Any business you start, any skill you learn, any course you enroll for, that is an asset. But every purchase which is just for your instant gratification or for your pleasure is a liability. And number third, you should always save before you spend. As Warren Buffett said, I pay myself first and then I spend and then I give it to others. So it's your moral duty that whatever income you get as pocket money, as gifts, whatever income you get, you should always have a target or a financial goal to save money for. And after saving, whatever is left you can spend easily on your wishes. See, each one of us dream to go out and explore, but there has to be some planning which has to be done to make that dream a reality. And I hope smart kids like you will make sure that you have enough skill to make smarter choices and build your wealth with time. Just like if I give a novice a car to drive because that person has so much money but he doesn't know how to drive a car, what is the use of that luxury car if he doesn't know how to drive it? Similarly, even if you have the money but if you don't know how to manage it, you will end up losing it all and getting into a debt trap. So save yourself from that misery, and we have a lot of fun activities, interactive worksheets in our course. If it interests you, then enroll for our course and see the magic, how your spending choices will change with time, how disciplined you will become financially. You will be surprised to see changes in yourself. See you then. Thank you.